Good morning, friends, and happy Saturday. I needed to run to Target this morning to pick up some toilet paper and a few other items like conditioner and stuff like that, which I haven't gone to Target yet. I thought I'd go into Michael's first because I want to see all of their fall decorations. I've seen a lot of people posting on Instagram regarding Michael's fall decorations, and there is a sign or a picture that I want to pick up in here that I want to have in my house for the season. So I thought that I would go in there and I would take you guys along with. So let's go look at some more fall and Halloween decorations at Michael's. Oh boy, look at all the scary stuff that they have. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. $5.99, and I don't think nothing's on sale right now. Well, that sucks. And I love all of these. These are so cute. Nice. Look at that wreath. That wreath is amazing. How cool is that, though? And then they have all this. Fun. So here's their fall decorations. I love all of these. I love the canisters. Those are cute. I like the pillows, but this is what I came for, the pumpkin patch sign. I love that. All of their general store decor is 40% off, so it's all of like this stuff, which is wonderful because I actually wanted another one of these. Well, that's $70 with 40% off. Yeah, that's a bit pricey. I won't pay that. They have some of their 4th of July stuff 70% off. So these things, this is 70% off. These are 70% off. The star, and then that is 70% off, which I like that. It has all the states. It's really cool. This is what they have. Okay, I'm in Target now, and I love these little sleepy pants. Even though I won't wear them to bed, I'll just wear them like around the house. Super cute. I love those. Let's see, they have any other cutie ones. Oh, these are cute. Little shorts. These are cute. Oh, those are fun too. I like these. Now these are more my style because I could sleep in these because, well, that would probably drive me crazy. If I laid on that, that would probably hurt. Those are cute though. And little shorties to go with them. Cute. Alrighty, so I went to Target. I finished up my stuff at Michael's. I was talking on the phone with my sister for a little bit, and now I'm gonna stop off at Starbucks and get a Frappuccino, and then I'm gonna get my car washed because my husband yesterday, when he drove my car to Marietta for his work thing, on the way back he had to stop over and pull over on the side of the road because he received a phone call, or excuse me, he received a text, and he needed to reply to that text right away. So he pulled off, you know, off of an exit or whatever, and when he pulled off into an exit, he went into this mud puddle of some sorts, and he got mud splashed all over the side of the car over here. And he brought me outside, was it last night? Yeah, yesterday evening, and he goes, oh look, I wanted to show you what kind of a mess I made. And I'm like, okay. So I came outside and he showed me the mess on the side of the car. Yeah, it's all full of mud, from like the front tire all the way to the back, all the way to the back. It's a complete mess. And I'm like, see, this is why you're not allowed to drive my car. You're a very, very bad boy. Shame on you for doing that. And basically what it was, he just kind of got stuck. It was wet and rainy out, and he went to go put the gas, you know, hit the gas, and it went whoo, and it spun. So anywho, but still, nonetheless, he's not allowed to drive my car. But I did get some stuff at Target. You guys can see back there, I got the toilet paper that I needed. I got paper plates, I got shampoo. I'll go through everything and show you guys what I got. And it's, you guys, I haven't said anything because obviously we weren't sure if it's like official yet or whatever, but I'm gonna be an auntie again. My brother and his wife are gonna have a baby. She's due in January. So yeah, it's just kind of like a long story. They've kind of had like a tumultuous, is that the right word? Tumultuous? I'm trying to say that word. They've kind of had a rough few years in their marriage or whatever, and they and I know my brother hasn't wanted kids, and I know she has, and that's kind of what's kind of caused a lot of issues, that and a lot of other things. Anyway, nonetheless, they're having a baby. So while I was at Target, obviously I'm like, who do I know is gonna have a baby? I want to look through the baby stuff, and I'm like, oh yeah, duh, my brother's gonna have a baby. My brother and his wife are gonna have a baby. So I kind of looked through a few things and picked up a few things that were on sale. Things at like neutral colors. Hello, could I get a grande caramel frappuccino, please?
Anything else?
Nope.
5 wait.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, yeah, I always forget that, you know, they're having a baby. And then I forgot Brian's cousins just had a baby. Another cousin of ours is getting ready to have a baby. So everybody's having these babies, and it's like, I want to look at the baby stuff. I do not want a baby. No, 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 no. But, you know, it'll be exciting to hear the day when my son, Cody, is gonna have a baby. You know, it'd be nice. But right now it's just my brother. And so I did pick up a few things. I'll show you guys a little bit later. I'm actually gonna get Starbucks, like I said, and then get my car washed, and then I'm gonna go home. Brian and I thought about going out tonight. Our neighbor has a band, and we thought about going and watching him play tonight. Not sure yet. It's usually, Brian and I are like such like I don't, just, we don't, if we're out, we're out. If we're gonna be home, we don't want to like get ready and get whatever. We'll see. We might go. I don't know. And then I know his cousin Lisa, the one that we're going on the cruise with, just, my hair is like a mess. It's driving me crazy. She just sent us a bunch of stuff about the cruise, so I'm gonna go home and look at all of that stuff. And I'm sure Brian already ate by now, so not sure, but I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Okay, so I don't know how long this is gonna stay in there, but while I'm waiting in line for my Starbucks, I was reading some of the comments that you guys are leaving regarding the stuff that I'm bringing on my cruise. And you guys, honestly, I'm totally going to like downsize all of the stuff that I'm bringing as far as like our luggage or whatever. But I also just want to make sure that I have everything that I need. And all of this whole list that well, the stuff that I've been getting, like the power strip and the USB port and the back of the door hanger thingy and the clips for the chairs, these are all things that I've heard, I've watched on the YouTube Cruise Essentials videos, that these are the things that you actually need. These are the things that these people actually bring on their cruise every single time. And, you know, if I'm gonna do this, I wanna do it right. I wanna do it the right way the first time and not be like, oh my God, I wish I had this, or oh my God, I wish I would have brought that. I wanna make sure that I have everything that I need while I'm on that cruise for 7 days, because they said that buying things on the boat or buying things at the ports is extremely expensive. So I want to make sure that I have everything that I possibly need or can use while I'm on that cruise. I'm also making it possible that I don't, usually I overpack, and I usually overthink things and I overpack, and I'm going to try not to do that this time. But it's easy when Brian and I are driving somewhere and I know I'm going to be out, because I can just pack my car full of crap that I don't probably need, knowing that it'll be there if I do need it. So like, for instance, I keep 2 chairs in the back of my trunk. For whenever we might need extra chairs somewhere. It was so nice to have those with us a couple of weeks ago when we were, or last weekend, when we were in Hilton Head, because they didn't have any chairs at the little area that we were at for a little bit. And we needed the chairs. Getting my coffee now. Or my frappuccino. Maybe.
That's a grande caramel frappuccino?
Yeah.
By the way, thanks for choosing Starbucks.
And then I'm gonna go right over there and wash my car. I don't know why Mr. Cadillac there is still sitting there. He needs to like move out the way. Yeah, so you guys, you know, a lot of you guys, I like somebody said, you're going overboard on your cruise stuff. I like that, overboard. Get it? Thank you so much. You too. go get my car washed. And I have a unlimited car wash club. So I'm in the unlimited car wash club. So I go right into this little thingy here, and it should go boop.
Please select an upgrade. If you do not want an upgrade, press no upgrade. No upgrade. You are now ready to enter the car wash.
Look at that.
Please proceed by following the directions.
You guys, it is $10 a month for the car wash, to get your car washed all the time. $10 a month. And I love that because ago regarding like what people bring on the cruises. Like I said, I have been watching YouTube channels, and I've been watching people with their like cruise essentials, and I'm just going by what they say to bring, what you're gonna need, what you need to use, and all this good stuff. So that's just what I was going off of. I might be going overboard, but obviously they did too. Then they think that they need that stuff. So if they feel that they need it and they use it, and this is something that you need to have, then that's definitely what I'm going to be doing as well. So just saying. And obviously I will let you guys know when we are on the cruise if this is something that I would need or not. But I guess everybody to each their own, right? I mean, what you may think that you need, I may not need. And what I may need, you may not think that you need. So it just depends on each person's preferences and what they feel that they need. That's just it. So, but I think all of the suggestions that I have come across, all of the essentials that everybody has said that you need, makes perfect sense. Makes perfect sense to me about those things. So, but anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm headed home now. My car is nice and clean. So I wanted to show you guys how I empty these things out. I always try to tell you I just put them in these little containers here. It just makes it a lot easier when I'm in here washing. I can just grab one and go. So I just pretty much just pour all of my Tide Pods inside of here, and it actually helps me be able to tell how many I have left or how many more I need. And same with my Downy fabric softener. I actually just pour it all in here. And that way I just can scoop it up as I need it. And it's just really nice and handy to have right here. So that's pretty much what I do. Pour it in there. I still have some pink down there at the bottom. But so yeah, that's how I do it. And then I just keep my lid on there. Oops. I gotta put this back in here. Put that in there. That's my scoop. And then that. And then I seal them up. Alrighty, and then I got some more blow dry thermal smoother cream. This is actually for my travel bag because I ran out of it last week when we were in Savannah. I picked up 2 of these Bourbon Manuka Honey Conditioner because I was almost out of the conditioner. So I'll just store these down here in my cabinet. And then I got a new shampoo here, which is the Repair Argan Oil of Morocco. This smells so good. And then I got the conditioner, obviously to go with it, but I won't use those until I'm done with the shampoo. And I got 2 of the conditioners because I have 2 of the shampoos, and I need to be able to have enough conditioner for the shampoo. So I'll just put these down here in my cabinet where I cleaned out the other day. If you guys missed that video, I will post it up here. But yeah, I'll just store these down here inside of this container.